If you are here, maybe you are curious how you make a MC4 connector. For this video, what we need? We need MC4 connector, male and female. This is the set. Good. At the end of the video, you will know to make a MC4 connector. The reason for all fires, almost all the fires start from this connector. So please take care. If you are an electrician, do this. If no, call one. So let's start. This is a solar cable, 6 mm. Is a copper wire. This is double insulated. So take a look. You need to cut the wires at this level. So I will cut the wires from here. You need an MC4 crimping tool. Look. And what you must to know, the small one is for female. You push inside and you must to hear a click noise. That's all. You close the cable gland. Good. Let's make another end. I will cut from here. Take the other connector, the male connector. You will hear the noise, the click. So this is the correct way to make an MC4 connector. Do not disconnect under the load. don't forget. And if you want to open it, you have here two legs, you push them and you take out. And now look the quality of this. Let's check this side also. You see, it's double isolated. The red isolation is moved because it's a short length, but you cannot disconnect it. Look. You see? It's impossible. This is the correct way to make it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give me a like button. Thank you.